Malindo. Pen Malindo. Bus there.
Oh, they only have just.
Oh, water. Water there.
So what do they have? Yeah.
Popcorn. Fried chicken. You can share this one.
They got nasi kuning.
Burger. Tak ada nasi. Keep it.
Come, later we go there.
Still got sweet and sour. And Chicago 7 lah. No, it's one. Chicago ah. Okay, come. Everybody, today we got this package online. It's two. We open this black one first.
So what we have? Fast track.
Change the mode.
Okay. Is it durable?
Durable. Yes.
It's not mudah jatuh lah.
Yeah.
Wow, got remote. Oh, meaning that can control from that tripod ah? Can control our. So the next one we will unboxing
Waterjet.
Waterjet.
Waterjet also.
Waterjet. All online.
That they buy the kecil cili api.
Cili api.
Cili api. Coba lah.
Oh, coba. All the review are good from this page lah, from this seller. Look at that. Bryson, that side. Okay.
This is the pipe.
Okay, what do we have?
This is the pipe.
The hose.
Okay.
The hose pipe to wash the car.
Okay, we have the hose there. Is for hose. Daddy want to install the water pump, guys.
Okay. Here's the pump here.
Okay, that is called hose.
The hose for the pump.
Yeah. want to try test the water jet. Correct. Okay, let's go.
Let's go outside.
Okay, come.
Everyone go on, put the stick here, and the inside here.
So okay, guys. Want to try the water jet, guys?
Oh, water pump.
Water pump.
Water pump. Shut the pump here. Pump. Pump. Okay,
One off. Okay, let's have to try the jet area. Very strong. What is that coming out just now?
on and off.
There it works. Oh, that one also can. Wow. Okay. Wow, very clean there. Yeah, lah. Oh,
for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.